To import and export WordPress posts and articles, you can use WordPress's built-in tools. This is useful when moving content between sites or backing up your articles. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into WordPress admin. Go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Navigate to Export tool. Go to Tools, Export. Choose what to export. Select Posts. You can filter by category, other, date, or status if needed. Download export file. Click Download export file to get an XML file that contains your posts. Log into the new WordPress site. Go to the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Import tool. Go to Tools, Import. Choose WordPress from the list. Upload export file. Click Choose File, select the XML file you downloaded. Then click Upload File and Import. Assign others and import attachments. Choose to assign posts to an existing user or create a new one. Check the box to import media files if desired.